I'm Paul Caravelli, chef at Tuscan Market and Wine Shop, and we're filming the Sparky OG. So the key to a good dough is establishing the crust first. You get a nice wad of dough in the middle. You're going to push out. So it pulls from the center and doesn't tear on you. And this dough is extremely cold, so it's making it hard on me.
Yeah, of course. You can see the crust starting to curl.
Yep. I try to do Napolitano and New York style kind of blended together.
Yeah. And what kind of flour are you using?
High performer.
Okay.
High performer gluten or twistos.
High gluten flour, high.
Yeah, high gluten.
Yep. Like 11, 12, 13%?
14.
14, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. A little stretch, snap. And use a combination of, is that like flour and corn? On the base
No,
there?
I don't put any semolina. That's semolina on the
Oh,
bottom.
that's semolina flour, okay.
Yeah. That's like the ball bearings for this.
Yeah. Helps it not stick and all the other things.
Yeah. It does cause tears though.
Yeah.
It's like gravel.
Right.
Make sure you're nice and smashed out. So you got an even crust.
Okay.
Every now
Yeah,
and
you
then
dock it?
shift No.
Okay.
Docking would cause you to not have any puff.
Okay. You like the.
I like that big crust.
Okay. Okay. All right.
All right.
Perfectly circular too.
Yeah, it's amazing. I usually don't do that. There we go.
So, Paul, is this dough? Is this like a fermented dough? What is this? Sour? Like
Yeah, this is a sourdough fermented by 3 days.
3 day?
I try not to use it until the 3rd day.
Okay. Cool.
But I use sourdough starter in case we have to do the first day.
Yeah.
But then after that, we just go for the ones that are aging in the cooler. There you get those nice bubbles on the outside, like a sourdough
Yeah.
pizza or a sourdough bread. And it's nice puff. And it's a lot chewier.
Perfect.
Very
Now, how would you describe your restaurant here?
good. Italian American.
Okay. What's your cooking style? Like, what do you like to do?
I like to cook American food because it's everything.
Yeah.
I love cooking pizzas. These are great. Making New York / Napolitano pizza out of an oven. It's not even a brick oven. Really makes me happy. I love to cook seafood. We're kind of getting that into the menu right now. Got a wonderful clam chowder on the menu. Comes with 3 fresh clams on it. And people have loved it. I get the best soup ever. I get best pizza ever all the time.
All right, Paul. Tell me about these ingredients here.
So we have our homemade pizza sauce.
Yeah.
Made from scratch.
Now, is that a cooked sauce or?
It's lightly cooked.
Okay.
Very lightly cooked. I believe in the fact that it's a cook on the pizza.
Yep. Okay.
This is just to bring out the flavors.
Yeah.
Red peppers, caramelized onions
Those look great.
with Worcestershire sauce,
Ooh.
and then the Big Fork bacon sausage, the star of the show.
There you go. A little mozz.
Full fat mozzarella.
There you go. Here we've got dough. You have the homemade sauce here. Putting on the cheese. What's next here?
Red peppers,
Okay.
kind of sporadic about the pizza.
Yeah.
Then the caramelized onion.
Okay. Now tell me how did you make these onions?
So these onions are caramelized in butter, and then brandied and Worcestershire sauce.
Okay. Deglaze with a
Hardest
little
word to
brandy
say.
and then finished with a little Worcestershire.
Yep.
Okay.
Brings up the flavor in the sausage.
For sure.
And the sauce has honey mustard added to it, because that complements the sausage as well.
Okay, so now, and this is, so how did you first start using Big Fork sausage?
I met this guy, Lance Avery, at Culinary Fight Club, and he put it on the ingredients list. And I had it, and I used it, and I won. and I chalk it completely up to the Big Fort bacon sausage. Completely. And he was even a judge. So it was a good time.
All right. So, all right. So now it's all here.
It's all
Looking
ready.
good. All right.
Take it to the oven.
Okay, let's go. What temperature we got here?
We got 550,
Okay.
high fan,
High fan.
and I got stones placed in the oven
Stones. Look at those stones. All
to
right.
simulate a brick bottom.
Brick oven. Yes. How long?
Probably about 8 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, it's home. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it up here on the slow side.
Okay.
And it's gonna brown up and crisp without burning that cheese.
Okay. So you move from the hot
The
section up to the little cooler section.
Yep.
Okay.
But that's a
You
hot
cook it all the
stone.
way to through.
That's a hot stone. Got a pizza that I'm only half on the peel. The other half is holding up just fine.
Okay, so that's the test, right?
Yep, that's the test.
Okay.
We're good to go.
Half on the peel holds up.
Yep.
Rock and roll.
Cutting board.
This looks amazing.
I'm a savage, so I just cut it right on here. You can smell that bacon sausage. It's killer.
Oh my god, it is amazing.
Killer. People ask me what kind of sausage that is at least 5 times a week. Are you available at Mariano's?
No, we're doing a lot more in food service than retail. So
Okay. Sprinkle
basically, you
some
get it on
Parmesan.
our website. But a little parm.
Little parm, and we're out to go.
Oh my god, that
Send
is
it out.
amazing.
See those sourdough bubbles right there? It's a beautiful thing.
That's awesome.
And if we do
Beautiful
it
looking
perfectly
pie.
right, if the dough's perfectly right, they're hollow.
All right. I was driving from Arlington Heights back to Chicago, but I needed to stop, and I ate one of these pieces of pizza, but I want, or two. I need to disclose how amazing this pizza is. I mean, look at the bacon sausage on there. You got the caramelized onions, bell peppers, parm. The crust is absolutely amazing. Incredible. Incredible. I only wish there was like more sausage on this thing. I didn't get a bite there. This one I will. So freaking good. With smokiness. With the cheese, the sauce, everything is just, it's spot on. Way to go, Paul. Incredible pizza. 10 out of 10. Look at this crust. Listen. Oh my God. Best pizza in Arlington Heights. Hands down.